If you start your day feeling tired and achy, I've got just the thing. Join me as we recharge from head to toe with a gentle yoga practice you can do anywhere in a chair. It's the perfect way to start your day or use any time you need an extra boost of energy. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Moving into a diagonal stretch, step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle hip opener. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position, or optional to reach your arms overhead, keeping your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release, moving into a seated twist variation. Keep your right leg where it is and use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip, thigh, and spine. Stay connected to your breath as you release, and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position, or optional to reach your arms overhead. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, keeping your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly firming your lower ribs in. Release, moving into a seated twist variation. Keep your left leg where it is. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and return to center, moving into one more seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.